Just one bite.
What is your biggest pet peeve?
Shoot. Oh, filing their nails. That one.
Like, is it the sound that
It's
gets
just my
you?
brain. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the one I remember. Yeah.
Or scratching on the chalkboard. I hate those.
Yep. Same kind of thing.
And it goes on and on.
Fork on the plate.
Yeah.
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 Who knows?
What is your most played song right now? If you had to take a guess.
I start to listening retro songs right now. Usher, Burn, right? Burn.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, I've been listening to country a bunch lately, so probably just Luke Combs' Growing Old album. So, but not just a singular song, I guess.
If you had to guess one catchphrase or word that the person next to you says frequently or uses frequently, what would it be? And if you can't think of anything or if you're wrong, you have to take another bite of the wing.
Him?
Yeah, you have to guess something.
I'll say
Is that a catchphrase? Or just like, is that a filler?
No, it could be.
It's a word.
I mean, it's a filler. I mean, a bunch of people say, like, after someone says, like, a story, I would say, like, that's crazy, but I don't know if you do it, per se. So.
I think he does. He also says, sounds good. Great. How are you guys feeling going into round 2?
It's a breeze.
Great.
So far, so good.
Yeah, signature brand taste, you know.
Yeah. Meemaw.
Yeah. What is your favorite trend at the moment? Social media trend, TikTok.
I always like to watching the dancing. So I think back dancers or anything makes it like dynamic movement. Dancers, I love those.
What was your childhood dream job? And then does it line up with what you're doing now at all?
I mean, any kid's dream is probably to be like some sort of athlete, like in professional sports. So, I mean, I'm staying in the sports realm in that sense, but definitely not. I mean, I could still be a professional athlete if I really, I mean, something crazy happened, but we'll see, you know.
The challenge for this round is to give your best impression of what Meemaw would sound like.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be like, it this. Can you fit this?
Oh, let me look at it. Let me just get the impression on you.
Try it. I just did it. I just did it right here.
I know. I'm trying to think of a good quote. Though. Like I need a good quote.
Read the back.
Eat my oxa. Oh no! It came up too fast.
See how that goes? Would you rather fight 100 duck-sized horses or one horse-sized duck?
I'd rather do the after one.
Yeah, I'll do one horse-sized
One
duck.
horse-
One sounds.
It's just a one-on-one, you know?
Yeah.
100 of them trying to bite your legs.
Oh.
Like I mean,
Can't imagine it.
You could kick some and like,
Yeah.
step on some, but 100's crazy.
Tell your best joke, and if none of us laugh at your joke, you have to take another bite.
I hate when they put people on the spot with their
Yeah,
jokes.
I hate
You can't be a comedian on the spot. I'm like, I do it off people.
Tell
What people
us
say.
It's like the one thing that, hey, give me a best design you ever did.
Like,
How? Right now?
hey, I'm just gonna.
Alright,
eat
I'll just
it.
bite it.
It's a pretty good sauce. I mess with it.
Alright, last round. Last dab, let's go.
All right. This is okay.
Oh.
Oh.
That's it?
Okay.
That's it?
Just
Conservative side.
Okay. I'll let you get moving on that. Why are we gasping here? Is it very good?
He's not even serious.
I don't mess with that taste.
it'll kick you.
David, is it kicking you?
First bite was nothing, but it was coming up slowly.
No, yeah, like I knew it doesn't. It wasn't that good.
It
of a
doesn't
savor.
taste
Yeah.
too bad. It doesn't taste anything actually. I thought it was going to be taste like barbecue or something.
No,
But
it's just
Alright, so what does your morning routine look like?
Wake up, take a shower, and if I'm working from home, I always love to do the French press or the drip coffee. So I do that, and after that, I lay down on my bed again, do nothing, look at the cell phone, Instagram, then finally I woke up again, and then do work. Yep.
Jack, you
It's
look
a
like
routine.
you're tearing up over there.
yeah, I feel it. I mean, like, it's not bad,
No.
but
Yeah, it
Wake
kicks
up.
you slowly. It kicks you slowly.
I mean, I just wake up, brush my teeth, like
Yes.
take my meds. Like,
Yeah,
go
you
out.
need to brush your teeth, of course. I forgot to brush my teeth too.
You're pulling your eye.
It's not too bad. Man, just get changed, make breakfast, go to work. Why am I crying? Like, it's not bad.
Alright, we'll just skip to the challenge since there's
Okay.
some technical difficulties.
Okay.
Can you flip over
Uh-huh.
what you have, and can you recite that 5 times? And if you can't recite it 5 times perfectly, you have to pour a little bit more on your wing and eat it.
Okay.
David, do you want to go first?
Sure. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Another dab.
Oh.
Good.
Alright. I think I can, actually.
You're doing better than me. I don't know why my
Awesome.
body's like feeling it.
Just do another dab, David.
Alright. Supercalifragilistic. I'm skipping. Alright, I'll do it.
Chester Cheetah, choose a chunk of cheap cheddar. 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 Is that 4 or 5?
Yeah, we'll do that.
That was pretty good. That was good. Alright, David. Feeling good still?
Mhm.
Not even flinching over there. Alright.
Fucking crying.
Well, congratulations, you made it to the end of the challenge.
Thank
Both
you.
guys.